everybody, and welcome to a new English class. Today we're gonna review the vowel sounds. The vowels are A, E, I, O, and U. Let's see what is the first sound. The first vowel is A. The sound of this vowel is A. Good job! Let's pass to the next one. The next vowel is E. This is vowel E. The next one is I. We pronounce this vowel I. Good! Let's go to the next one. The next vowel is O. We pronounce this vowel O. And the last one of my vowels is U. We pronounce this vowel U. Did you got it? Let's see. A, E, I, O, U. Great job, everybody! Let's keep practicing. Thank you for joining. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe.